Hi there, welcome to the Teeny Tinkers channel. I make ball jointed doll and craft related content. I've ordered some things from TaoBao, and since you all seem to love watching TaoBao hauls, I thought I would share. Since I'm getting into sewing my own BJD clothes, I am trying to focus on buying only things I can't really make myself yet. Today's haul is going to be mainly shoes, but there are some clothing items in there too. Shoes are something I'm still working on as a skill. The shoes I've made so far have been less than perfect, and with dolls hanging out in bare feet, I figured I should go ahead and pick some new shoes up. As cute as they are, let's get Poppy and Clover out of here so we can open up this package. I'm not sure how many more TaoBao hauls I'll have. In March of this year, TaoBao has made it so you can pay in USD or CAD for items. But once those items arrive at the warehouse in China to be consolidated for shipping, you can't pay CAD or USD for the shipping. Suddenly you need a Chinese account. I use the web version because the translate feature through Google Chrome lets me know what I'm actually ordering. The weird thing is that, for now at least, I can open up the app in my account and use a second phone to translate the text. Then the app lets you pay CAD or USD for shipping. I don't really understand, but it's how I got my stuff this time. When the warehouse consolidates your shipping, you end up with a big bag of bags and boxes. Honestly, it feels like a box of presents to me, from me. I really enjoy unboxing videos, and there's two styles that I watch. The first is like this, with either a person on camera or a voiceover. I like this style because it feels more personable. There's also the music and ASMR only unboxings, which I find weirdly relaxing. If that's your jam, I've also released the unboxing portion of this video as a soft music and sound only version. I'm curious to see which style you all prefer. But for this one, let's open up everything together so I can tell you exactly where I got it. If you're interested in anything in the video and are unable to use TaoBao or don't have the app or a Chinese bank account, you can take the links in the description to BJD Biner. I hear they're an awesome TaoBao agent and will help you get your stuff. Because the stuff on TaoBao is really great. For example, these shoes I got for around 9 USD. They're really nicely made, especially for the price, with small laces and rubber soles. They come in a ton of colors as well, which is really awesome. They're all about 5.5 to 6 centimeters long, so true MSD standard size. My slim mini body wears MSD standard shoes, so these are absolutely perfect for them. Which is why I also got these in blue and white. They had a matte blue and white as well, but I decided on the shiny ones. Last pair of these. Yes, I got them in pink. 3 pairs for less than $30 was too good of a deal to pass up. I'm considering going back for a couple colors I missed too. The value for money on these is really great in my opinion. Okay, here's some bougier shoes. These were about 20 USD. I try to keep shoe purchases under 25 a pair unless they're next level cute, at least from TaoBao. I have only actually ever ordered shoes from TaoBao, AliExpress, and Alice's collections. Ironically, I find AliExpress to be the most expensive. This pair is super cute. It reminds me slightly of the infamous bare bottom shoes that were really popular last year. They are only about $20, while the bear shoes were about $40, I think. Going in no particular order, since I have no idea what's in each package, I start with the pink one. It's already 80% open for me, so I just cut the tape off to get in there easier. Cute little business card or coupon code? I'm not sure. Honestly, I don't even know how or when to use coupon codes on TaoBao. First clothing of the haul. This shop is called Crooked Nuts. Yes, I know. And they honestly have some really cute things. I ordered this set in 1/4 scale though, and the top looks really large. This might be better for like a smart doll or something. It comes with this adorable Sanrio chain necklace, which I really love. But the star of this set for me is the yoga pants. In the listing, they call these jeans, which is definitely not the case. But honestly, I would wear the heck out of these yoga pants, or flared leggings, or whatever they're called now. It looks like the store included some candies, but I'm never really sure what to do with them since I have dietary restrictions and can't read the ingredients. But they are cute. This was not part of the set and cost $20 on its own, but the jacket is so cute. I got it in the quarter scale size, which is meant to be oversized, but I think if I did it again, I would get the 5th scale size. But also, do you think they'd make one in my size? More clothes, and yes, I could have made these myself, especially with the plaid fabric I just ordered. But these were less than $3 USD a piece. 3. So I got 3 of them in my favorite colorways. I like that they have an elastic waist and are long, so they fit my slim mini body really well, I think. I'm a big fan of plaid pants myself, though mine typically come from Dangerfield, an Australian alternative clothing shop. I wonder if they'd have any patterns that would be close to these. I'd love to twin with my dolls. A rather squashed box, but with tiny clothes inside. This set is intended for those 20cm cloth K-pop dolls, but I find the shorts and sometimes tops fit slim minis pretty well. Avoid rompers, dresses, long pants, and long shirts. And there are some things that work really well and look really cute. However, every neckline is going to be off shoulder and every top is a crop top. Ooh, fancy packaging. Well, not fancy, but this box is sturdy. I am a box gremlin. When things come in plastic boxes like this, I always keep the box. They are so good for craft supplies, eyes, putty, shipping small heads, anything. But the shoes inside, they're adorable. I think the coral, lilac, and mint look like they were pulled right from all my Teeny Tinkers branding, so I caved and dished out 20 for these as well. A box within a box, and it's a gift box. And another card I can't use, but this was one of the items I was most excited for. I usually avoid reds when picking clothes, but with the pink and green, are you kidding me? The details are so nice. The red is a velvety fabric, while the strawberry is a PU leather. The soles are super soft rubber. 10 out of 10, recommend these. Getting towards the end. This is a simple hoodie. Honestly, it looked way nicer on the model and in 1/3 scale size. This is definitely the MSD one, but they didn't scale the cord, so I'm kind of meh on this one, but I'm pretty sure I can fix the cord and maybe dye it and it will look better. Final box and the biggest one. There's 3 pairs of shoes in this box. Some pink sandals with a faux cork bottom. Some pink basic booty heels. I actually had these in yellow for a really long time, but they didn't match my wardrobe anymore. And this pair of flowery shoes, which I already had and completely forgot about. Oops. Okay, so now with everything unboxed, it's time to try some of this stuff on Clover and Poppy. But first, it's time for Doll of the Week. This week's doll comes from Tiffany the Chaos Springer on Instagram. Honestly, great name. She has one of the Teeny Tinker's Saturn kits and made her into a cool girl with a yellow and pink wig. It looks like Tiffany has been bringing her on quite a few adventures and even posted a TikTok of Saturn. Thank you so much for sharing, Tiffany. I love to see dolls out on adventures, and I'm really glad you're having fun with her. If you'd like to be featured for Doll of the Week, don't forget to post photos of your Teeny Tinker sculpts using hashtag TeenyTinkers or hashtag TeenyTinkersDolls on Instagram. Alright, back to the video. Bringing the girls back to the party. Currently, Poppy is wearing a TaoBao outfit and Clover is in a hoodie that was made for me by Gigglefish. If you haven't checked out Gigglefish on Instagram, I definitely recommend. Her handmade outfits and styles are honestly so fun. They were dressed like this for their emo kid photo I posted over on Instagram, but I think it's time to get them changed. By the way, tomorrow is the day the pre-order opens. Clover has been in the works for nearly 2 years, and Poppy's face was created about 6 months ago. I have been having so much fun with these girls, and I'm so excited it's time to share them with you all. There's a ton of information posted on my website, as well as informational YouTube shorts here on the channel. This short also shows the new color I added to the lineup, which is a lovely dark brown. Feel free to ask any questions via email or in the comments below. Now that they are beheaded and ready to dress, I have to pick outfits. I want to try on some of these plaid pants, but I have to add a shirt from my collection. I didn't really pick up any shirts this time. As well, standard MSD tops typically run too large for these girls, who look best in tight minifee shirts as well as USD items. Even though I'm trying to make more of my own clothes, I might look for some structured or detailed tops in USD and Blythe size for these girls. Oversized Blythe or Barbie items fit really nicely on the flat chests as well. This hoodie, on the other hand, is very, very oversized. It looks like she stole it from her older brother or something, but she does look comfy. I pair it with the gray and purple shoes from earlier and a pair of white doll heart socks. The shoes fit perfectly. A quick comb of the wig with the Wig Brush 2000, and I think she looks really cute. I think Poppy would look adorable in anything though. I do put her in the shorts and t-shirt set at the end of the video though. But it's not the end. It's time to dress up Clover. This is the peach resin tone, though I forgot to mention that Poppy was in the peanut resin. All the resin tones are basically nuts and fruits this time. Speaking of fruits and nuts, I want to put her in this adorable set from Crooked Nuts, but yeah, this top is huge. I have to substitute it with a shirt from my collection. I'm using the pink and blue shoes for this look. It was a really tough choice. I had a lot of options, but with how flared the pants are, I think these chunky shoes are the look. And about these pants, I love them. They are so cute. I am definitely going to make some in this shape because wow, I love it. Clover gets Blythe's shirt as well and the pink jacket. I'm dying at how cute this is looking. Putting her best face forward, I use hemostats, I think they're called, to pull the S hook up. You don't need to use this tool, but it certainly ends up saving my fingers more times than not. I pick out a new wig for her as well, which looks much cuter with this outfit, don't you agree? As well, since this is a dress up, I wanted to mention that if you're looking for a more casual and chattier dress up, I'd recommend checking out my second channel, Teenier Tinkers. I post a ton of casual videos over there, and I'm in the process of redressing all of my dolls for the summer. And it's just kind of like a fun, casual chit-chat and hangout type video. Okay, Poppy is popping back to show off her sportswear and to say goodbye. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it and you aren't subscribed, it would mean the world if you consider subscribing, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. But anyways, thank you again for watching, and as always, I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye!